Hi there. In this video we'll be looking at this tiny handheld fan. It was sent in by TVC Mall. They have the slogan EU's leader mobile accessories wholesaler. And let's take a quick look at the specs of this. 3000 mAh battery. If that's accurate, that's quite a lot. Not sure what else in here, but yeah, here we also have English. This is the dimension, obviously lithium, 5 watts charging power, type C, perfect. It has adjustable speed, and the exact model is G9. A bit more info. It has a display to see, show you the speed, long battery life, silent, multi-scenario views. We'll see. And 100 wind speeds. Okay, so it's kind of really adjustable, not just 2 or 3 steps. Nice. And in a separate video, actually 2 separate videos, we'll be looking at these models also from TVC Mall. Okay, wrist strap, faux leather or leatherette as some call it. Silver accent on it. Oh, come on. Your packaging is absolutely to the brim filled. Okay, what's that? I saw something and I have no idea what it is. Oh, nice. This has the possibility to attach to stuff and has some silicone pads in here that provide the grip. Forgot totally about this. If I could actually get it out the menu itself, just for maybe a quick look. It unfolded in there. Anyway, not a problem. Do we have an English part of it? Feel free to read it. And here it is. I hope everything can be seen. So let's take a look at this. And yes, I'm going to be comparing it with this from Lidl, which has 3 speeds, but it's, yeah, and that was maximum speed. So it's low noise, but also quite low power. Oh man, this is cute. Okay. Oh, really? So the level of how high you get this is actually controlling also the speed. 84% battery, speed number 1. That's a nice design. And on first speed it's actually stronger than Lidl on third speed, or at least the same. But if we crank it up, let's crank it up to the max. Obviously it will be louder. This is moving a significant amount of air. And it's off. Pretty cool little thing. Yeah, it's reversed. Type C charging, obviously. Yep. Hi there. Yeah, I really like this thing. Look at those blades, how small they are. But just from the sheer RPM and the shape of the blades, it's strong enough to move everything around. Obviously, we'll be attaching the wrist strap itself, and as I said before, 2 other models in their separate videos. Come on, get in there. Maybe this wrist strap is fancier than a standard cloth one, but yeah, maybe a bit riskier. What I want to also see at full blast, is it able to stand? Absolutely no problem whatsoever. Pretty cool, pretty impressive, this little guy. And we have also this, which will help you attach it to stuff. Let's see, do we have an orientation for it? Absolutely no orientation. We just need to push it in there, slide it in all the way, and now this can be attached to stuff and it will stay in there where you need it. Nice. Yes, this where was it on the other orientation? Maybe I got the orientation wrong. Did I or did I not? I will look on the, yeah, I no, doesn't seem okay. I think I'm damaging it. Let me look on what I recorded to see the correct. Actually, we should have the orientation right here. Now this is the correct orientation. So maybe this to have been just a tiny bit more grippier with it, so it cannot fall. For me, that's extremely simple. I have foam pads that I can glue inside of this and they will grip onto it instantly, so absolutely no problem. But maybe it would have been nice to be there from the start, or maybe this is also designed as something you attach it to somewhere and yet then you can grab it, then put it back in there. So multiple variants. Anyway, for me this really not an issue, but if you try to attach it on something and you expect it to not fall, it will fall. Anyway, and obviously it's charging cable right here. So heatwave coming in our area. This will be used in the following days and get back to you on how it fares. Using the fan while editing videos to drain the battery so I can see how it charges, and also because we have a heat wave once again around here and I don't want to crank the AC too much to not have a big shock when going out from indoors and in reverse, but the fan, yeah, I can deal with that. Due to this being a mirror, when you are upside you will not be able to see anything on it, sadly. And is now charging, but it lasts quite a lot even on max. And charging completed, and now we can use it again. And yeah, that's about it for this video. We've been using this for a while, no complaints about it whatsoever. It's just doing what it's supposed to be doing. So yeah, if anybody has any questions about it over the years, how it lasts and stuff like that, if the battery starts degrading or anything, ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.